Okay, I'm back at my garage, but guess what? This time, it's raining. And you know what? I'm gonna try it in the rain anyway. I'm not saying you should do it. I got my green drink here. If you wanna know what that is, go to my PWR Training YouTube channel. You'll see it on there. And I'm going for 50 reps at 95 pounds. It's basically gonna be a clean to a squat to a push press. I'm probably gonna break it up into 5 sets of 10 because I won't be able to go unbroken. You know what? Everything's not a sandbag workout, and I really like this. It's almost like a Metcon workout. I think you're gonna like it. My form's not perfect, but I'm working on it. Now bring it up, squat deep, lock out, back to the ground. 1, squat deep, 2, 3, 4, lock out, 5, clean, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's about my limit. I'll break them in 5 sets of 5. PWRtraining.com. Have a great workout. See you next time.